Hey, well, I want to file a police report because she's like in my house and she's not supposed to be there.
Do you have any documents again?
Yeah, I do.
Let me see the documents.
And like, seriously, I appreciate you just reading all this stuff. At least the federal.
Who are you, man?
I'm his sister.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
There's your
Did you
parents
go
up
to the
here
house
too,
with
or?
her?
Yeah.
Did you?
Oh, shit.
Can I talk to you?
Me?
Yeah, do you care? Why'd you guys go to the house today?
What do you call it?
We were just driving by. We were coming home from the beach, and he was like, "Can we just go by?" I was like, "Yeah."
Can you go by where?
His house.
His house.
Yeah.
Since when is that his house?
I know you're.
When did that become his house?
I don't know.
You don't know? Because it's probably not his house?
It is his house.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, since when?
I don't know. I don't know the date.
Of the Moroccan Empire.
When did he move in there?
The paperwork that
I don't
you
know the
have
date.
is from
Within a month?
correct?
Yeah.
He did.
Do you
Where are your
have
parents?
any paperwork
They're not here.
How old are you?
19?
You're 19. How old is he?
anything from-
25?
Yeah, any
Why am I being
paperwork from a
interrogated?
real estate company?
You're not being interrogated.
That's how I feel.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll stop talking to you.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Just the report that I have that says that there's a promise of paying the additional $1 million.
Which was the piece of paper you wrote and had
No.
the affidavit that you filled out and had notarized.
No. It's the rental agreement from the agreement to purchase the property that I had with the real estate company, with the real estate corporation. Because like I know that we can first I have to file a complaint. So first we need I need to file a police report, and I go and bring that to the court and say like she's like living in my house, like I need to get an unlawful detainer. She's like I went back to the house again, she's still living there.
So what happened when you went back to the house?
I asked her who she was and what interest she had in the property, and she said, "Oh, it's you again. It's the same lady
From yesterday?
same age lady."
What do you call it? Where did the confrontation go down at?
It wasn't a competition.
Or where did the conversation go?
On the front door.
Front door?
Someone else answered the door and I said, "Hey, hi, I'm Chris. This is my house."
So where'd you get this document from?
This is from the Library of Congress. This is actual. Look at this is saying.
Yeah, but is there
Here's a
anything that
treat.
says anything about the paperwork reference the house?
Yeah, it's all the land. Like it says, watch. Look, I'll show you. All the land and resources around that's not whoever's claiming that they own that land. It's not theirs.
Okay,
she can't
but-
claim that she owns it because
But-
it's not in the city.
Okay, but what I'm asking is in regards to having any type of documentation from the state of California, any type of paperwork from
Yeah,
any.
the notarized affidavit right here.
Yeah.
This is an official document. You see, it's sealed by it.
This is an official document according to you.
No, that's an affidavit.
Okay, but
wait,
this-
you swore
did
an
you
oath
get
to uphold the law?
anything? Did you get anything from the real estate company? Did you sign?
Did you
escrow?
swear an oath to uphold the law?
I'm just asking you a
Is
question.
that
Did
not
you
the
sign
law?
any paperwork for
Is
the
this the
escrow
law?
company?
Is this the law?
Did you sign any paperwork?
Yes, I did.
Where's that?
16
at?
pages. Yeah. He's asking for the paperwork from the real estate corporation. Hold on. What's going on? What's on your mind? Does she have the allodial title? Is she the absolute owner of the property?
No, she represents a real estate company that's attempting to sell the house.
He's saying no, she represents the real estate corporation that's attempting to sell the house.
Where's your papers before I enter?
Oliver, you'll be on here.
Dude, I can't hold your papers and get your papers.
Hold down at least and hold it for a second.
Hold on, dog. Hold on. I got all my. I gotta get this. This is why it sucks, dude. Why it's like, I had all my paperwork all organized and shit at the house, and now everything's everywhere, dude. Hold on. Here we go.
Is this your guys' address together? You live here with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's my parents. Yes.
Where are your parents?
They're not here.
Outside one. It's a realty company. That's the money right there. That's what I'm saying. The money is the promise to pay. So I gave them an entrance to promise to pay with that affidavit from the tax. That's the buyer's agreement. I'm the buyer. This seller is coming, but the seller never signed the paperwork. Hey, that's where the whole deal went down because the treasurer was supposed to call and confirm the funds first. And then the treasurer faulted on his fiduciary duties, which is why I'm suing them in court. I got 11 here too. You get all this. We got all this too.
Chris, can we keep this paper?
No, I need that.
You need it? Can we have a copy of it and then give that back to you?
No, I need it. It's the only stuff I got right now. I got to go through all this and figure out what I have copies of. I can make you guys copies.
Where's the company?
Contact one. This is them right there. Carlos. I'm filing a lawsuit on him too. Look, I got it right here. I got a lawsuit that I'm filing on him and Eric and look at. See, here's the treasurer. Bill Lockman. This is what he's sending. Numerous faxes and phone calls you've made to your treasurer's office regarding the appointments to appoint treasurer. Blah blah. This is all the stuff that I've been sending them. And I've been telling they were sending my shit back. They blacked out my whole entire envelope and said it was the wrong address. So I'm like suing all of them. And this is all the shit that I got from Carlos. Carlos is all the lawsuits. I got the lawsuits right here. Where's my other one right here? Wait, I got the lawsuits.
I'm not sure, however, with what you're telling me right now, what that has
Well,
to
it's
do
all
with the
civil.
property
It's all civil.
specifically.
The title is basically clouded.
Okay,
That's what I'm trying to say.
here's the deal.
Is that she's saying that she owns it and she can't.
No. She never said she owned it. She is the real estate agent who represents the owners for that property. And that is 100% fact.
How do we know that's fact? The fact is only agreement between the parties, and I don't agree. I'm engaged in the party. I'm a party. I'm an interested party. I swear I do.
I understand you're an interested party, but an interested party cannot just enter someone's house.
No,
And that's what you did.
I had permission to be there. The real estate corporation had told me that I could go there.
Which real estate corporation? The one that he's calling right now?
Yes, contact one.
Okay.
While we're in
If they
escrow
say that
for the
you
60
have
days,
every right
while
to be
we're in
living in
escrow,
that house?
yes, not that living in the house. I'm welcome to be at the house during the time that we are in escrow, during the time while escrow is open, while we're waiting for the funds to be transferred in. So they already gave me the green light. I already called the governor to California. I told him, but they're jigging me around. The treasurer's not going to give him the funds. I'm just going to do a claim right on the property. Screw him. I'm not going to pay him. It's not that I'm not going to pay him, but I tried.
The people that are selling that house
They're not selling it
said,
anymore. They're done.
No, they are. They are. No, I promise they are. They have said that they are not going to take an IOU for their property.
But it gets discharged. It gets discharged.
No. Nothing gets discharged. They really just want money for their house, just like anybody else wants money for their house. They're not going to take an IOU for this kind of thing. It just doesn't fly. I mean, I don't know where that would fly, but it doesn't fly there. I promise that.
Okay. All right. I appreciate your time. All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye. All right. I just spoke with Carlos.
What he said.
He said whatever document you guys signed was an offer that you had put in for
Okay.
the property.
But we did have an offer, and I did
No,
agree
I know,
and
but
unconditionally
you had put
promised
in
to
an
pay them
offer.
200.
Do you want to hear what I got to say?
Go ahead.
That you put in an offer, and they needed a some type of
verification
proof
funds.
of funds,
Which is what they said the
and
affidavit
they
would work.
received the paperwork from the U.S.
Affidavit.
Treasury.
No,
that
they
said-
received my affidavit, which is proof of
Okay,
funds.
do you want to hear what I got to say?
I've
They
heard.
got it for. Okay, well here's the deal, man. The house doesn't belong to you. Okay, they want to press charges.
Says who? How,
So,
how does she say the house
listen
belongs to her?
this. Chris, you're being placed under arrest. Go ahead, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Let me get this paperwork.
Hey, I'm going to jail, dog.
I'm gonna hang that call up.
Can I have
today,
his phone?
and you can call that person down. You want it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, that's fine. Sir, I'm gonna have you just put your lighter here, okay? Is that all right?
Can I have that too?
No, you guys are breaking the law right now, and I do not consent.
Okay.
You're actually
You don't have to consent.
violating international law, and I'm going to be holding you guys completely.
Can I have his
commercial-
papers?
No.
No, we're taking this.
No, you can't take that.
Can I have them,
No,
please?
We're taking the paperwork as evidence.
That's mine.
No, you can't.
No.
You're taking the paperwork. as
It's mine.
evidence. You're taking the paperwork.
Can I
as
have it?
evidence.
No.
Why not?
Because we're taking as evidence.
Okay, wait. What's your name?
Chris, you're not resisting,
How do I know?
right?
No, I'm not resisting.
Okay,
Can I see 3 forms of ID? How do I know?
I don't have 3 forms of ID on me.
Well, you have to show me 3
Well,
forms.
there's 1 form of ID.
What your form is a form of ID? Wait, hold on. What about
Lamont. They're asking him. He's asking them for 3 forms of ID, and they refuse to give him 3 forms of ID.
I need a badge and a business card. I need your business card.
They have him under like arrest and handcuffs.
Let the police know that it's people at the door that are not identifying themselves as police officers.
He's in handcuffs.
You see what I said?
Yeah. And they're taking his paperwork for evidence. They're taking all his paperwork for evidence.
How do I get that house if I end up putting my dishes to your guys'? No, I'm not trespassing. You're going to agree to live this. You're violating my rights.
Hold on.
I hope you know that I'm placing liens on both of you guys for this. Because my time is valuable. I don't work for free. officially accept your offer to go get in your car and go do your jail time as your trustee, but I'm not the trustee. I'm actually a man.
Okay.
And I'm a people.
We appreciate
You're
that.
violating my rights.
Have a seat.
Please don't. Am I free
Please
to
have a
leave?
seat.
Am I free to leave?
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not.
Okay, well, I'm operating for protest and arrest. No,
Okay.
I'm not going to say a word. Is that cool?
That's
Yes,
cool.
that's
All right, I love you guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. What's your name?
Hold on. Yeah. He's in the back of the car and they're looking through his paperwork. All right.
No Ma'am, do you want to take the rest of these? We're only going to take those for evidence. You can hold on to the
What
rest.
can I ask which ones you're taking?
Sure.
You want to take a picture of them?
As
You got
long
this
as I
letter?
have them. As long as I have them so that we can
This
have
letter?
copies.
And then we have the, I guess this would be,
That's for the actual house itself, I believe.
yeah, it wasn't the agreement, but it was the offer that he put in. There's the property, the information that supposedly he was given by the escrow company or the his affidavit,
Okay.
which is notarized. You want to get a picture of the notary?
I got it.
You got it? At the bottom? And then just what he believes in, or what government he,
Is run under?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Are you also part of the Moorish government?
Not yet.
Not yet. This is a copy of his information, birth certificate.
Okay.
I don't think we need this. Take that.
And that also?
Yes. Okay.
So you guys won't identify yourself to him at all?
Sure.
He asked for 3 forms of identification.
Oh, no.
You guys want to do it? Why not?
I don't have 3 forms of ID.
You don't have a business card or
Not on me. He's going to give him a business card. He's got his badge.
We'll have it.
his badge and his badge number and a business card?
Yep, absolutely. 110%.
All right.
You can have it.
Do you have anything else on your first?
No, that's it.
I love you. Call me.
Did you go with him to the house?
Huh?
Did you go with him to the house?
I traveled in my vessel to his house, yes.
Okay, you traveled with him. Can I ask you a question? Do you mind answering? Or
What's the question?
so you were with him at the front door or inside the house, or you stayed in?
I stayed in my vessel.
Okay. Did you see the interaction he had?
I saw a lady taking pictures of my license plate and I told her she didn't have consent to do that and she continued to do it.
Okay. But in regards to whatever occurred between your brother and the lady inside the residence,
I
you
didn't see anything.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.